Hi, second grade friends. We are going to get ready to do our syllabication for this week. Make sure you have a pencil and a paper or even a whiteboard and a marker. Go ahead and write this word on your paper or on your whiteboard. We're going to go ahead and move into the next steps. Go ahead and find the first vowels. I know AR is a bossy R vowel, and OO is a diphthong vowel. I'm going to draw my bridge. I'm going to label my consonants. Draw my syllable wall. What type of syllable is it? I'm going to look at my vowel. I see that it's an AR, bossy R. I'm going to look at my next one. My next syllable, I see my OO. It's a diphthong. Now I'm going to read the word cartoon. Go ahead and erase your board if you're using a whiteboard, or if you're using a pencil and paper, find a new spot on your paper and write your next word down. Okay, we're going to go ahead and find our vowels. We're going to draw our bridge. Label our consonants. Draw our wall. Look at our syllable type. We see we have a U as our vowel. We see the SH closes the door. It's a closed syllable. We see OO as our vowel. We know that's a diphthong. And now we're going to read our word. Mushroom. Nice work.